Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Real quick, when I say live, what I mean is I'm recording myself right now in real time, seeing information, seeing the data for the very first time. So to respect your time, if you are looking for a video where the person's got hindsight in their favor and they're doing a trade recap or something like that, this won't be a video for you. But if you are open to the idea of an unscripted, nitty-gritty look into what it's like to be a day trader and how day trading can play out, I'm confident you'll find value in this video. So I will pause the recording software for now and I'll be back at market open. Have an order at $14 here for a put. So the price needs to come up a bit more. I am looking to trade SPX options. So the price will need to come up a bit more in order for me to get filled. I will pause for now. Okay, looking to pick up a put here now at 14. Well, might have been a little too late to that one. I will pause and I'll keep an eye on it. Have an order at 14.20 here. I'm going to go ahead and cancel that out actually. Looking like this thing might want to push back up. So let me adjust to 12.50 and look for a little bit bigger of a move. So, all right, I will pause. I'll keep a close eye on it. Have an order at 14. So let's see if it wants to come up and fill me. And I'm at 14. So the price needs to come up. I like the formation here, but it's just more of a question of does it want to push back up and retest before coming back down. So that's what I'm looking for right now. I'll go ahead and pause for now. Okay, I'm at 1070. And I feel good about this spot. So this needs to come up just a bit more. I will go ahead and pause. Okay, I'm at 1880. Picked up some right there. Put that is. And out there for a quick little $50 scalp. Some kind of bizarre action here, but I mean, it's all occurring up around a resistance. So like I said, just figured had a high chance of success there. $50, I mean, but if this thing wants to break out of this range, and I'd be interested in potentially more, but sometimes you got to just kind of try to manage everything within a realm of risk. So I mean, it is crazy. So there was a risk that maybe this thing just explodes. So you manage that by the position size. I mean, had I gone 3 contracts or 2 contracts or, something like that, and it explodes, and that could have escalated very quickly against me. But with one, okay, it would still escalate, but not nearly as quickly because it would only be 1 contract. But of course, it worked out. So it's easy to say, oh, well, you should have done bigger size. Well, I mean, I agree in hindsight, but had the price just snapped up against me, then I'd be sitting here saying, geez, why did I go so big size? I should have only done 1 contract. So, and I know some of you are like, Clay, why do you say that after almost every trade? And I say it because, and first off, you're right. But just as a reminder, there's always new people watching these videos, and I've been doing these the channel's been around since 2013. So little over 10 years of doing these. And I know what people show up, and unless you say that, then, you'll come and I get it. I understand it's easy to do. They'll start to ask questions that are based with hindsight in their favor. They don't realize it, but they have hindsight confirmation bias at work, and they're asking questions, and I have to remind them, well, yeah, you're not wrong, but you are operating under the premise of having hindsight, which I don't have at this point in time, because this is literally happening right before my eyes right now as I speak. I quite literally don't know what's coming next. You look over here in this big void. Yeah, I don't know what's going to happen here. Now, looking back, it's easy to say, oh, I should have bought there, or I should have bought there, or I should have shorted there, right? I mean, that's easy to say, or I should have shorted up there. But when you look here and you don't know what's coming next, that's where trading gets actually difficult. All right, well, we'll see if this thing wants to come back up anymore, and potentially interested in another trade. But it is just... the market closes at 1 o'clock today. So maybe, and tomorrow's July 4th, Independence Day. So for you Americans out there, happy Independence Day. For you British people out there, yeah, sorry, should have done better. But I'm kidding. I love our British viewers. I think we can all have a good sense of humor about this stuff now. I mean, it happened 300 years ago, but okay. So like I said, if I have to just take the $50 bill going into the 4th of July weekend, hey, I won't complain about that. Considering, I mean, that whole trade lasted all of what? I don't know, 30 seconds. All right, I'll go ahead and pause. Okay, I have an order at 15 and there seems far away right now, but the price just really started to move quite a bit and the options can move very quickly. So I don't want to risk missing an entry point, but it's looking like a never mind at this moment, but I'll keep a close eye on it. I'll go ahead and pause. All right, that's all I have, and I'm just going to call it good. So nothing fancy, a simple day, $50. Again, the market closes here in about 30 minutes. It's 12:30 p.m., so an early closure as we head into July 4th. So for you Americans out there, happy Independence Day. Hope you have fun. I know you'll be watching this on July 4th, so don't blow your hands off. We need our hands to trade with, so careful with the fireworks. But that's all I have for you. So $50, quick day, simple day, nothing fancy. And on a low volume, bizarre kind of choppy day like this, which is completely normal given most people probably aren't even trading. A lot of people have taken the day off just to make a longer weekend out of things, with Tuesday having the market closed. Like I said, I'll take it. In fact, you could probably even make a valid argument that I shouldn't have even been trading today. But again, that's where I kind of factored in the risk management by just keeping it extra small and just keeping it pretty basic. So thanks for hanging out. Like I said, enjoy your 4th of July weekend, or 4th of July, I should say. And if you enjoy these live trade videos, hit that like button, leave a comment below, and let me know down below. Did you end up trading today? So I know you'll be watching this on the 4th of July, but did you trade on Monday? Let me know down below. And maybe I'm the only person that was out there trading. But like I said, comment down below on that. So thanks for watching. Take care. And like I said, for you Americans, happy Independence Day. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.